Welcome to Shackles Off TV, where we empower you to take control of your health and well-being. Today, we're addressing an essential mineral that's often overlooked but plays a crucial role in your overall health. Get ready to discover the power of potassium and how it can transform your health journey. Potassium is a crucial mineral and electrolyte essential for various bodily functions, often overlooked in favor of other nutrients. A seemingly healthy diet can actually be counterproductive to your fitness goals if you don't have this critical nutrient. Potassium is vital for various bodily functions, from maintaining a healthy heart to supporting muscle health and nerve function. But did you know that many of us may not be getting enough of this essential mineral in our diets? Here are some signs that you might not be getting enough potassium. Some symptoms of potassium deficiency include 1. Muscle cramps or weakness. 2. Nausea, confusion, irritability. 3. Low blood pressure, diarrhea, frequent urination, dehydration. 4. Paralysis and changes in heart rhythm. So where can we find this powerhouse mineral? Well, the good news is that there are plenty of delicious and nutritious sources of potassium that we can easily incorporate into our daily meals. From bananas and avocados to sweet potatoes and beans. These foods are not only rich in potassium but also offer a wide range of health benefits. Studies have shown that a potassium-rich diet can help reduce blood pressure, protect against stroke, and even prevent conditions like osteoporosis and kidney stones. Daily potassium requirements. 1. Males, 300-400 milligrams. 2. Females, 200-600 milligrams. Importance of daily potassium intake. 1. Adequate potassium intake is crucial for overall health and well-being. 2. Daily intake is essential for maintaining proper nerve function, muscle contraction, and heart health. Sources of potassium. 1. Bananas, avocados, watermelon, pomegranates, dried apricots, coconut water. 2. Sweet potatoes, beetroot, yam, potatoes, butternut squash, beans, and legumes. Balanced diet. 1. Avoid excessive consumption of any single food. 2. Ensure a balanced intake of various potassium-rich foods to prevent adverse effects like heart palpitations or hyperkalemia. Additional benefits of potassium. Health benefits. 1. Reduces blood pressure. A potassium-rich diet helps lower blood pressure by aiding the body in removing excess sodium, which is beneficial for heart health. 2. Protects against stroke. Increased potassium intake is linked to a lower risk of stroke. Studies show that individuals consuming more potassium have a significantly reduced risk of stroke compared to those with lower intake. Diet prevents osteoporosis. Potassium helps maintain bone health by reducing calcium loss through urine, thus preventing osteoporosis. 4. Prevents kidney stones. Potassium citrate lowers calcium levels in urine, which helps prevent the formation of kidney stones. 5. Reduces water retention. Potassium helps reduce water retention by increasing urine production and decreasing sodium levels. Dietary sources of potassium. Fruits. 1. Bananas. A medium banana provides about 9% of daily potassium needs. 2. Avocados, rich in potassium and healthy fats. Vegetables. 1. Sweet potatoes, nutritious and versatile. 2. Beetroot, great for salads and juices. Legumes and nuts. 1. Beans. Varieties like black beans, kidney beans, and lentils. 2. Legumes, chickpeas, peas. Beverages. 1. Coconut water, hydrating and rich in potassium. So, let's take the first step towards a healthier, potassium-rich diet. Whether it's adding a handful of nuts to your morning routine, enjoying a delicious sweet potato salad, or sipping on hydrating coconut water, these small changes can make a big difference in your health journey. It's time to prioritize your health and well-being. Adequate daily potassium intake is crucial for maintaining overall health, including heart and kidney health, regulating blood pressure, and preventing conditions like osteoporosis and kidney stones. A balanced diet rich in potassium can significantly enhance overall health and well-being. Incorporating a variety of potassium-rich foods in moderation can lead to a healthier and better life. By incorporating a variety of potassium-rich foods into your meals, you're taking a proactive step toward a healthier and better life for yourself and your family. Stay tuned for more empowering content right here on Shackles Off TV. For more empowering content and health tips, follow us on social media and subscribe to Shackles Off TV. Remember, your health journey starts now. Take those shackles off and step into a healthier, vibrant life.